What are the best goal-setting exercises for a course creator? Goal-setting exercises can help course creators clarify their objectives, stay focused, and track progress effectively. Here are some of the best goal-setting exercises for course creators. SMART goals: utilize the SMART criteria: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound, to set clear and actionable goals for your course creation journey. Break down your overarching goals into smaller, more manageable objectives that adhere to these criteria. Vision board: create a vision board that visually represents your aspirations and goals as a course creator. Include images, words, and symbols that inspire and motivate you. Display your vision board in your workspace to keep your goals at the forefront of your mind. Goal journaling: dedicate time each day or week to journal about your course creation goals. Reflect on your progress, challenges, and achievements, and set new goals or adjust existing ones as needed. Writing down your goals can increase accountability and provide clarity. Mind mapping: use mind mapping techniques to brainstorm and organize your course creation goals. Start with a central idea, example launching a course, and branch out into specific goals, sub-goals, and action steps. Visualizing your goals in this way can help you see connections and prioritize tasks. SWOT analysis: conduct a SWOT, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats, analysis to assess your current situation and identify areas for improvement and growth as a course creator. Use this analysis to set goals that leverage your strengths, address weaknesses, capitalize on opportunities, and mitigate threats. Peer accountability groups: join or create a peer accountability group with other course creators or entrepreneurs. Share your goals with group members, hold each other accountable, and provide support and encouragement. Regular check-ins can help you stay on track and motivated. Priority matrix: create a priority matrix to categorize your goals based on urgency and importance. Divide your goals into 4 quadrants: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and neither urgent nor important. Focus your efforts on high priority goals while delegating or postponing lower priority tasks. Goal setting workshop: host a goal setting workshop for yourself or with a group of fellow course creators. Set aside dedicated time to define your goals, discuss strategies, and create action plans. Share insights and ideas with others, and hold each other accountable for achieving your goals. By incorporating these goal-setting exercises into your course creation process, you can clarify your objectives, stay motivated, and make meaningful progress towards your goals as a course creator.